the 20 gauge steel that our competitors claim is okay for outdoor kitchens. And this is a barbecue tube. Look how easy this cheap stuff bends. Check this out. I could even jump on it.
Here is a look at how a split bar counter is made with cheap studs and tracks. You can see they've covered it here with cement board, but look at how it doesn't, the cement board doesn't even hold on to the steel frame. And below here you can see that they have their hidden bar support installed on the outside of the overhang frame, and all these screw heads made it impossible for this cement board to be flat and tight up against here. So they couldn't even use adhesive to secure it.
Just for fun, we're gonna put together a module using steel tracks and studs. Before we even screw it in, look, you can't even get the clamp in there. These cheap steel studs just keep moving. Oh look, we got one finally. You see how the stud's bending when he's trying to screw it in? Look at that, the stud only has 3 sides. That's why you need barbecue tubes. You need real tubes with all 4 sides to get your screws in the right way.
Oh Lord, it's too hard to put in to drill this. Whew, let me try that again.
Now that we have our module together finally, we're going to install a double door cutout with tracks and studs the old-fashioned way. Now we're going to install the left stud for the door kit. And then we'll screw that in.
Wow, this is not working. I'm gonna have to use a clamp for this one.
Now we're going to install this the right stud, 30 inches, because that's a cutout width. You see how time consuming this is? Check out those dangerous cuts. Look at how sharp that is. Real dangerous. The old-fashioned way was just not a good way. See how that looks just real unprofessional, it's real sharp. We're just gonna get some basic screws and try to screw that in and call that a frame. See, using our ConnecTube couplers, look how much better this goes in. So nice and easy. You're just gonna put 1 screw here on top, 1 screw at the bottom. It's gonna sit nice and flush, no cuts.